Infidelity, a word that can shatter trust like glass. It's tough, but not insurmountable. First, breathe. It's okay to feel angry, confused, betrayed. Let those emotions flow. Next, communicate. Hard as it might be, talk about it. Let your feelings be known. Then seek help. Therapists, friends, family, they're there for you. And remember, rebuilding trust is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, patience. Keep moving forward one step at a time. You're stronger than you think. Infidelity is a storm, but storms pass. In the end, the sun always rises.